Going to shop in the fucking freezing bullshit weather. We're going to get in a lift. Oh, fuck. And we're going to go shop.
Yeah.
Because it's fucking freezing. And we're dressed like the Arctic. Hello, people. You're all shy. Here we go into the spooky lift. This is an elevator full of ghosts and shit. And it says no smoking to all spirits. And it's got a mirror. Look at me, I look a twat. Hee, hee. I look like the Christmas critters on South Park. Hee. Can you see? Goes on all these haunted floors. Because it's an elevator for fucking ghosts. No smoking. No assholes. Phone 300 if you've got an asshole living near you. Spirits everywhere. Whoa, look. Looks like an hospital. Looks really shit. Wet floor, very moist. Somebody's being moist in here, look at that. Somebody's got their lips trailing across the floor and made it all moist. Yes, very moist indeed. Oh, it's fucking freezing. Going to shop in the rain. Did you see the snail trails on the floor? Yeah, where somebody was very moist. Dear, look at that. Somebody's not swept up. Oh dear. Council are getting very lazy. Lazy bastards. Ooh, it's fucking cold. Ooh. And here we have a fucking tree. A very, very bare, naked, cunting tree. Ooh, look at the footpath too. That needs sweeping. Get these bastards out here tidied up. It's fucking cold. Oh yes, that's where a UFO landed and scorched the floor and caused like a crop circle. And here we have a massive, fucked up style of Christmas tree. Just sat doing its thing, minding its own business in the cold, on its way to shop. And there's a pub, although I don't recommend or condone early afternoon drinking, but I do like to do a little bit of it myself.